What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So, first of all, I'm going to be kicking off my first cooking video of 2021. And today's cooking video, I'm going to show you how to make fruit milkshakes. Not fruit smoothies, fruit milkshakes. It's just so there's no confusion. Now, keep in mind that this recipe is going to be a little experimental. So, let's go over what we need. So to make yourself a sorbet, you're going to need half a cup of any fruit-flavored sorbet. You also need some sugar, some vanilla, and you'll need some milk. So let's get started. So to make the sorbet, you're going to take a container. You're going to need a blender. You're going to take half a cup of your sorbet, and you're going to put it in a container that's used for blending, like as if you're using a blender. Then you're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, a tablespoon of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of milk. So I just combined the ingredients. Now I'm going to put the lid on this, and we're going to blend it. Alright, so this is how the product should look like. Never done exactly something like this before, but it's just an experiment, so I'm going to sample it right now. Alright, here we go. Pretty good. Looks like I made a perfectly new type of dessert. Fruit milkshake. So, thanks for tuning in. I hope to see you next time.